The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashoda and this is RaShodA.makemeovah. So we at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna get a few things makeup wise and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I guess I should get a buggy. No, I'm gonna get a So I think I'm gonna get like some, I don't know, I might get some mascara. No, I got no mascara. I'm gonna see if they got some concealer. I'm gonna see if I can do a full face, something like that. I don't know, we gonna see. Let's just see. What are we in here for, y'all? Oh, also I need to pick up Naylani something for her birthday. Her birthday's tomorrow, y'all. Y'all comment happy birthday to Naylani in the comments. Big 15. She's gonna be the big 15. That's Naylani. Say hey, Naylani. Hey. My baby about to be 15. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, let's see. Let's see what we can get her. I don't know what I want to do for her. They got a lot of Easter stuff out. I don't know. Let's just ask her. Naylani, what do you want out of here? I'll get you one thing.
Follow me.
Okay, let's follow her, y'all. She said follow me. Like, let's go.
A Stanley cup, because your last one wasn't big enough.
You get another cup.
How much is this?
Just put it in the bag.
That's my item.
So she want that, you guys. And look, y'all, it is $3 for their big size Stanley cup. They got all different colors.
It's $5.
That one say $3.
I have a sticker that say $5.
Oh, okay. It's $5, you guys. But you can't beat that. Some people spend like, how much on these cups? Like $40, $50?
They spent on $45.
Oh. Couldn't be me. I'm cheap.
And I get these.
You getting that? Okay. Cool beans. All right. She got her one gift, so let's go and get some makeup. Oh, I want to get some decoration stuff. What color balloons you want, Naylani?
Pink.
Okay, we're doing pink. So we gotta do pink. Which color pink? So okay, get that. Put it in the bag. Okay, and then we gotta do the tablecloth. Are we gonna do a birthday tablecloth? Are we gonna do a pink tablecloth? We wanna do light pink or white? Okay, get the tablecloth. Get the rectangle one. Okay, boom. All right, get some forks and spoons. Oh, you already got that. All right, so okay, let's go. What else? Oh, balloons, y'all. You see the balloons?
Nope.
It might be down here. Dude, I don't see any balloons. Am I tripping? I know, you just all in the way. Naylani, you like those napkins? The strappy ones or not? Okay, what can you, let's see. I guess you get those. Okay, boom. All right, we need to find some balloons. It seemed like it would be here by the party stuff. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna find it and be right back. Okay, here's some nice little decoration things. Let's see, what do I want to get to decorate with? Oh, here are the balloons. So, Naylani, we gotta get you the big 1.5. Do they have? I don't even see a 1.
You dropped that.
Oh no, Naylani, we might not be able to get you a 15. I don't see a 1 or a 5. That sucks. And we gotta get you some candles. Okay, you wanna do white and pink balloons? Let's get white and pink balloons. Just put it in the bag. Oh.
Don't forget these. You got multicolored.
Just do it in the bag.
These.
She's doing pink and white.
One of y'all should probably get this for their birthday.
Should we put?
Can I see?
What is that?
I want these.
Cheeseburger.
How much are these? I think it's like $10.
Oh yeah, if y'all are already subscribed, then thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you are not subscribed, then I hope you consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, then welcome to the Glam Fam. Hey, I want to get these cupcakes. They're pretty. Do you want the cupcakes, Naylani, or do you want this? It just says happy birthday. I think this is super cute. What? Just put it in the bag. Okay. What is that? A stamp? I guess, yeah. Let me see them. Hold them up. Hold them up so we can see them. Turn them up. Stand them up. She wants some Easter egg stamps. Those are stampers. Okay, cool. Cool beans.
Put these on my teacher's
If you want to.
my teacher's mail to send it?
Yeah, you can.
To send it? Like,
No, you need to buy stamps. Okay, y'all, so we're on the beauty aisle. You don't want to be on the camera, but you always get in front of the camera. I don't know what I want, y'all. I do want me some nails. I want some nails. I don't know. They're kind of all over the place. These are kind of cute. Should I get, which one y'all like, these pink ones or these?
those kind of cute.
Y'all like these better?
Yes.
What's that inside of it? Is it messed up? All right, so we're gonna get these. Oh yeah, I wanted these. Y'all, that's supposed to have ordered y'all some. Y'all need some y'all need some? No.
Oh no, look at the Walmart and I think that it's cheaper here.
Oh, they probably.
This too dark?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, this too dark? Probably too light.
Okay. A beauty blender. I think I'm gonna get a beauty blender, y'all. I think I'm gonna get, these are super cute, huh? Or should I get this marble one? I think this is super cute. So we're gonna get, you guys. So, I really want that purple one in the back. So let me see if I can get it. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all ain't looking at nothing. I'm looking at, I have a bad cameraman. Why do I have a dent in it? Do all of them have dents in it? Okay, hello, y'all. I'm being very extra right now. Okay. Let's get this one. It's not dented up. I'm gonna get this diamond. It's super cute. Okay, let's see. Then now it is like, I know I need me some lip gloss. The LA Girl lip gloss is just really good, y'all. So I'm gonna get some LA Girl lip gloss, but I don't really want it to have. This one's kind of cute though. I don't really want it to be too shimmery. I want it to be glossy, like this one.
A smile.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one, y'all. What can I get now? I know I need some concealer and I don't know, y'all. I might put that one. I'm gonna put this one back and grab this one. I'm gonna grab the dragon fruit one. I think I want to do that. Okay. What else do I want? I need some concealer. Excuse me, Naylani. What is this? Full coverage concealer. That's a bit too dark for me. What color is this? Neutral. I usually get like beige or honey. Let's see. Whoops. We're gonna go with creamy beige. We're gonna go with creamy beige. This one fell in the bag. I'm gonna put that one back. I'm gonna put this one back. Okay, now what else can we get, you guys? We got concealer. We got a beauty blender and lip gloss. I got plenty of blush. Oh, I want some liquid eyeliner, of course. Oh, and I do need a brow pencil or a white pencil. I know I do need that. So I'm gonna get a white pencil to help me draw my art or whatever. Got that. And I need a liquid liner. I think I'm gonna go with, I wanna go with a, I've gotten this before and I really like it. It lasted a long time. It's this black. Okay, it's black. So y'all have to always grab one from the back behind the one in the front. Okay, this one's from LA Colors, and this is in shade black. Okay, what else do I need? I do need some contour. Do they have any cream contour? And then I need some lashes and some setting powder, translucent setting powder. Excuse me, y'all. Can y'all scoot back, please? Because y'all are in my way. Okay, there's some contour right here. And it is medium dark. And then we got, looks like all the shades say medium dark. Let me just roll with it. That looks pretty good. All right. What else can I do? I need some setting powder. Okay, I don't see any pressed powder. Loose setting powder, so I'm just gonna not worry about it. Okay, what is this for? Okay, so she wanna get a beauty blender storage box. Okay. And I gotta get lashes and then I'll be done. Let me see which lashes I want. Let's see. Oh, look at these, y'all. These are fancy. Got some little pearls on them. I need some. I think I'm gonna get the lashes, the bottom lashes. Look at these. They're 16 and they're iony, wispy, natural short lashes. So I'm gonna use them like on my bottom lash. What? And then I want to get some wispy. What? Yeah, I have gotten those before. Yeah. Oh. I'm trying to see this is dramatic. Okay, I guess I'm gonna roll with these. I'm gonna roll with these. All right. What is this? Teeth whitening. Okay. She's taking that out. All right. I think that's it. So we're about to go check out. Now we gotta get Naylani a gift bag. Which one you want, Naylani?
This. Nah, this could really be for you.
She want the robots. She gonna get the robots. Yeah. Just put it in the bag.
Hey, this could be for you.
Leave me alone.
Ooh. Just put it in the bag. All right, now let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go. We're checking out, you guys. Let's go. Look at them. They better be glad I love them because they cut up like this all the time. All the time. We're going home. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to check out with y'all, but we got everything that we picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up tonight's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just stay tuned. I'll be doing some makeup looks with it. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up button to let YouTube know that you like what you see. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, if someone's not serving you well, tell them where to go, where to the left, and remember, you hold a special place in my heart. I love you guys. Bye.